Osaka reimagines a narrow, inward-looking structure in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, as a fluid, three-level Pan-Asian restaurant where light, movement, and material unfold in a seamless, spatial narrative. Designed by FellowYellow Design Studio, the 6,000-square-foot project occupies a former bakery site that was long, linear, and closed off on all sides. The client sought a refined yet unpretentious dining destination, one that could transition effortlessly from a bright daytime restaurant to an intimate evening bar without relying on overt or stereotypical Asian motifs. The design concept is rooted in Nagare, the Japanese philosophy of flow and continuity. Rather than referencing Japanese imagery directly, the studio interpreted the philosophy through spatial sequencing, vertical movement, and environmental responsiveness. To counter the building's originally static nature, the structure was opened up by expanding window openings, introducing skylights, and carving out a double-height entrance volume. These interventions allow natural light, air, and greenery to move freely through the interiors, transforming the once enclosed shell into a dynamic and evolving dining environment. The restaurant unfolds vertically, with each level offering a distinct yet interconnected experience. The ground floor establishes a calm and grounded tone, anchored by a live sushi counter and a Zen garden that softens the threshold between interior and exterior. Earthy materials and a restrained color palette create a sense of arrival while maintaining visual clarity. The first floor balances intimacy with connection, housing a private dining space inspired by the spatial logic of traditional zashiki seating, while overlooking the double-height volume below. At the top, the terrace opens into a semi-covered lounge with an open bar and outdoor seating, where flowing fabric installations respond to wind and light, allowing the city's atmosphere to become part of the dining experience. Osaka's design is conceived to complement the cuisine it serves, not compete with it. Like a thoughtfully composed meal, the space reveals itself gradually through shifts in light, texture, and proportion, allowing food, conversation, and atmosphere to take precedence. By translating Zen principles into a contemporary dining environment, FellowYellow Design Studio transforms spatial limitations into a refined, immersive experience, leaving a lasting impression on Hyderabad's evolving culinary landscape.